Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy for June. This month's theme is Ready, Set, Play. Use the link in my description box to sign up. The Glam bag features a bright yellow puffy mesh material with a 3D love charm zipper. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Juicy Couture Rosé Land Soy Candle, Marc Anthony Repair Bond Leave-In Treatment, Philosophy Micro Delivery Exfoliating Daily Facial Wash, Formula Z Happy Stick Dual-Ended Eyeliner, and the Qveen Studio Boss Gloss. Now let's open Boxycharm by Ipsy. Inside we have the Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash, Il Makiage Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Quad, Beaute Flawless Coverage Cosmetic Blender Duo, Half Caked Double Dipper Color Duo, and the Luoci Beauty Empower Me Matte Lipstick. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received, but first I do have to mention that this candle smells so amazing. Now let's jump into skincare with the Philosophy Micro Delivery Exfoliating Daily Facial Wash. This gentle exfoliating formula quickly scrubs away impurities to alleviate dryness and rough texture for a smoother, more even skin tone. I'm very pleased with this product. My skin feels clean, soft, and smooth. Now let's take a look at the Il Makiage Color Boss Squad Eye Color Quad. There are 7 color variations of this 4-pan palette. This one is called Call the Shots. The packaging is very nice. Let's swatch it. It swatches beautifully, but for only 4 neutral shades, it's very expensive at $48. First, I'm picking up the matte shade. I'm applying this to my crease. I laid down some tape so that I can achieve a really sharp line. Next, I'm grabbing the shimmery bronze shade. I'm applying this to the outer V, just keeping it below the crease. Now I'm taking the shimmery gold shade. I'm applying this to the center of the lid. It definitely goes on better with a finger. Finally, I'm dipping into the shimmery pearl shade. I'm adding this to the inner corner of the eye and also a bit to the very center of the lid. After that, I'm trying out the Formula Z Happy Stick Dual-Ended Eyeliner. This brand is a fierce advocate for embracing individuality, ensuring that their products are a force of empowerment for everyone, regardless of gender, race, or culture. This is Cedar, a matte brown color, and Topaz, a bronze shimmer. I'm applying the shade Cedar across my lash line. It's really nice and precise and also creamy. Now I'm using the Beaute Flawless Coverage Cosmetic Blender Duo. This retails for $18 and includes 1 teardrop and 1 angle cut blender. I'm going to use this one. This brand is one of the LGBTQ+ owned and founded beauty brands that Ipsy is showing support to for Pride Month. I would say that it's just a little bit stiffer than the original Beauty Blender. It's super pointed and can easily get underneath the eye. Next, I'm testing out the Half Caked Double Dipper Color Duo in Girls Tour. This is a highlighter and blush duo. I absolutely love the packaging. It's giving Barbie. Let's swatch it. The blush is a neutral mid-toned pink color, and the highlighter is a warm-toned light medium copper color. The blush is super pigmented and the shade is so flattering. The highlighter is a bit dark for my skin tone, but I think that it goes nicely with this look. For lipstick, I'm using the Luoci Beauty Empower Me Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Nudey Pink. This is a great color. Finally, I'm applying the Qveen Studio Boss Gloss. This is in the shade Sugar Daddy. This smells super good like birthday cake. Here's the finished look using products from both the June Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.